Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a test page on an Epson Ecotank ET-2750. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using the little screen you can see here and the built-in controls. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, press this button to be taken here. And then we're going to use the right arrow to navigate ourselves along until we get to maintenance. You say maintenance, represented by the little wiper in front of the printer. And press OK to go into that. And nozzle check is the very first option. So press OK to go into that. Obviously to print the page you will need some paper in there. Assuming you've got that sorted already, just press the start button over here to get going. Now if we give the printer a minute, it'll produce a page like this for us. And hopefully yours is looking a bit better than mine. As you can see, we've got like this gate-like pattern here representing the black, cyan, magenta and yellow inks that your printer uses. You can see there's a couple of breaks in the cyan, but it's looking pretty good. But the black, we've got some quite severe issues. Obviously it should match the pattern on the right, but just be black. So we're going to need to do some cleans to sort that out, which our printer thankfully preempts here. As you can see, it's asking if we've got missing segments, which we have. So we'll press OK on yes. And then you get the option to clean the print head. And what this does is force ink through the printer's print head to dislodge that dried ink that's causing the print quality issues we just saw. So we'll press OK to get going. Start cleaning. And we'll give the printer a minute to do that. As you can see, the machine estimates it can take up to 3 minutes to do, so you do have to give it some time. And from here, you can just do cleans and these test pages until you see an improvement in the print quality you've got. That's all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it's been useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else that you'd like to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.